What's up, YouTube? We're out here changing the battery in a 91 Silverado. We have a regular, what is this? It's a regular car battery. We're going to swap it out to this big old boy right here. This thing weighs 76 pounds. 76 pounds. But yeah. Alright, come on. Sorry.
Is this thing gonna go fast?
Yeah, I gotta figure out the wiring and all that, but yeah, it's going pretty fast.
Yes. Yes. It doesn't fit.
It does fit. What are you talking about?
It's not on the tray.
Watch out. Make sure it shuts. I need to put something over it though. I'll be right back. Stay right there. Popping that one? Huh? You mind popping that one more time for me? Okay. Thank you, sir. You are good.
Here. Thank you.
Jackson, the cameraman left us. So we're gonna figure this out. Hold on. installed. Let's clean up a little bit. And for the sake of Jackson, we are going to give him his phone, but I still have to remove that ground right there. Yeah, we ain't even gonna talk about that.
The
Like,
T-spec?
we're not gonna
The T-spec?
talk about that.
What?
No, Jackson,
What's
come
it
around
called?
here.
What?
Come around here. Can you see your phone?
This?
Yes, right there. You see that?
Yeah.
Don't ever do that.
Yeah.
Don't ever do that, all right?
It's also old.
Nah, but the install is not old. But anyways, until next time.
Peace.